Transferring manufacturing skills through an interactive AR system. Transferring skills to new employees or learning a new process to existing employees is always a difficult process. The standard teacher-student approach is time-consuming and results vary from employee to employee. Teaching new skills quickly and efficiently can save companies time and money. Augmented reality tools can provide employees with real-time training, support, and feedback. By showing how a task is handled, displaying the relevant instructions, and then evaluating how they handled the task, these tools offer valuable insights without the need for a teacher. This show-don't-tell philosophy offers plenty of input for the operator to learn along the way. It helps new hires to hit the ground running, and it is equally effective at training existing employees in new processes, all of which can save a significant amount of time and money. This demo highlights how technology can help companies to capture and transfer their manufacturing skills more efficiently than ever. You'll see how to train, transfer, and refine a skill outside the conventional teacher-student approach, and in doing so, how to minimize both trainer and employee workload.